Welcome to Ashley's Toy Corner. Hi guys, welcome back to Ashley's Toy Corner. All the corners of your house. And today I got a package. I ordered something. I ordered a packet. So let's open it up. Okay guys. What do you see? Oh, okay, so I ordered some pop tubes. There's some. I bought them individually because I wanted some pop tubes and it didn't come with this package. So let's move you out of the way because you're not important anymore. Okay, that's all the fidgets we got in it. Oh, hi! Go away. We got a cute train poppet. There you go. We got a car poppet. Different colors. A ton of marble meshes. Okay, what else do we have in here? Okay, so I saw people open this on video and they had like a wrapper, but I guess mine didn't come with a wrapper. It just came with no wrapper. So here's a fidget bracelet. So, ooh, a snapper. It doesn't really work with anything wrapping, I think. So we got a snap. Ooh, bike chains and a pea pod. There you go. I think one has a face and one doesn't, and two doesn't. I'm not sure. But there's some pea pods and bike chain. What else do we have? Monkey noodles. And mochis. I'll show you guys all the products. Oops. I'll show you guys all the products properly when I get them all out. But we got two pea pods. We also got two extra. Wow. Ooh, and these things. I forgot what it's called.
Sensory rings.
Sensory rings. Yeah. Another two yo-yos. And I think these are like weird monkey noodles. I think they're all unicorns, and you can put them as a bracelet. You know, just walk into style and be like, look at my cool unicorn monkey noodle bracelet. And you can take it off in the fidget. And then we got these two llamas or alpacas. You can switch them. Okay, it's fine. And we got the pop tubes. Let's open these really quickly. A blue. There you go. A pink. Red. And a green. There we go. Got those. That. Okay, now I'll show you guys all of the fidgets. Each of the fidgets, and I'm gonna rate them on camera. So for the yo-yo, kind of is a fidget, but also kind of not a fidget.
Try to throw it down the stairs because it's supposed to walk down the stairs.
Oh, let's see that. Okay. So we're just gonna do it. Just do it like this.
I don't know.
Oh my god. Oh my.
I don't think yours. I think you're too small.
Yeah, I think mine's too small. Anyways, I rate this like a 5 out of 10. Monkey noodles, you can't really do anything with.
Sorry.
Monkey noodles, you can't really do anything with this. All you can do is just like stretch and squeeze it. So sorry if I offended you if you like some of these fidgets. I gave them a low rating.
You didn't rate this one yet.
I rate this a 4 out of 10. Walmart alpaca. It feels really nice, but like the rubber is something. But like I rate this an 8 out of 10. Pretty high rating. Now for a snapper, 5 out of 10 because all you need to do all you need to do is like we should just pea poppers. I'm giving them a 3 for bike chain. I never even played with a bike chain, so I'm gonna give this a 5 for these monkey noodles that can turn into a bracelet. I don't know how. I give this a 4. Pop-it bracelet. A 6, and then marble mash I give a 7. Wacky track a 5. Pop it. I also give a 7. Then put pop 2. An 8. Mochi, I give. Oh, this one's actually a little sticky.
Hopefully like that then. Pretty sure.
I give a 5.
Well, you didn't sensory rings yet?
No. Okay, for sensory rings, I give them like also a 5. Kitty.
You little stinker. First things, give me them. I'll rate them. This Palka boy. I'm squishing it. I like the feeling of it. I give it a 9 out of 10. Give me another one. This monkey noodle, I give it a 6 out of 10. I love Slinkies. I like this one. I like doing this. I give it a 4 out of 10. Mochis. I don't really like mochis that much, but
Yeah,
this one's cute. But this 3 out of 10. This.
I think they're both quite nice.
This boy, you know, pretty nice.
A pocket watch.
You know, I don't know how I can pop it. Look, I can't even pop it on my wrist, so I only give it a I don't know, maybe like probably 3 out of 10 too. Okay, sensory rings. They feel good. I like it. Yeah, 6.5 out of 10. Pop this. Very cute, but I don't know, 3 out of 10. I don't know. It's not that fun. And you know what? Snapper, I think. It's okay. 3 out of 10. I'm not a big fan of it. Marble mesh. I like it. 7 out of 10. Pop soup. I'm addicted. 10 out of 10, maybe. What's this called again?
Mark track.
Wacky track. I like wacky it. I like the whacking.
Ow! It hurt me. Never mind.
6 out of 10.
Okay, so the pop is like the poppet bracelet, but like
2 5 out of 10.
Wait, guys, I forgot one more Fidget.
Oh my god.
It's a huge Fidget.
I don't know, maybe a 4 out of 10. I don't think I haven't done this yet. I'm not sure. I like the feeling of it. I'm not sure. 6 out of 10. Alright, I think I did it all. Alright, we're gonna end. Thank you for watching the section to end this video. Remember to, we might do a dad rate or Fidget. So with that, give us 1 like and we'll do it. But it can't be by us. Alright, bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Wait, guys. Bye-bye.